Now, how do we design advertisements? Some of the ads published either in the newspaper or shown on the television fascinate people instantly, despite the fact that they don't need that product. There's sometimes you see a particular advert, it's not like you want to buy it, it's not like you need that product, but because of the way the advert was designed, it just speaks, it fascinates you, like you're just interested in looking at the advert or staying glued to your TV to watch the advert to the end. And what is the reason for this? Like I said, it is only because it is a beautiful design. Communicative power and fascinating execution. It is only because of its beautiful design, communicative power, and fascinating execution. The design is one of the most fundamental features of an advert. Now, what is an advertisement design? There is neither a magical formula nor predefined rules to combine lines, colors, images, typefaces, and other graphic elements to create an eye-catching ad. But then, design depends on the requirements of the client and features, the functions, the appearance, and the nature of the product. Execution of a well thought out layout and design has an impressive effect on consumers. Now, a smartly articulated design encourages, or in other words, compels people to buy the product.